He's got a rubber ducky. See all the bubbles and all the rubber duckies over here? Yeah. I'm going to close it and see what's next. Oh. Here are all the babies, but there's still one baby missing. Can you guess who? Peekaboo, it's you! You see yourself in the mirror? You gonna give yourself a kiss? Who's that pretty girl? Who is that? Is that Penelope? Yeah. Is that you? There's a baby. There's the ball. Can you say ball? Ball.
Papa.
Baby. Yeah, that's right. And start over. Where is the baby? Is he under the umbrella? Where's the baby at? Where is he? Is he hiding? You better find him. Where's baby? Is he behind the umbrella? Can you lift up the umbrella and show us where he is? Peekaboo! He's getting ready to splash in the rain. Yeah, he is. He's got his rain gear on. Yellow raincoat and red boots. Wave to Daddy. Say hello. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy.
Dada? Dada?
Papa.
Dada? Dada?
Where's your ball? Go get your ball. Go get your ball and bring it to me. Get it. Go kick it. Pick it up. No, I'm going to kick it. It's trapped under there now. Are you going to be a soccer player? Get your blocks. Yeah. You like your blocks, don't you? Mm-hmm. Want to dump them out? It looks slippery. Thank you. You can take the lid off. Which one do you want to get? Which block do you want? You get the green square.